If you're a small business owner, you need to consider offering your Black Friday sales much earlier than Black Friday. And by much earlier, I literally mean right now. And it is currently early October. And as you're planning for next year, you might even consider offering these sales as early as September. And here's why. So basically, a lot of large stores, a lot of large retail stores, they've come to the conclusion that during the week of Black Friday and also Cyber Monday, Small Business Saturday, etc., that time period tends to get very competitive. So a lot of large, well-known retail stores are offering big savings during that time period. So whether it's smaller stores or just the larger stores in general, they have started to realize that it makes sense for them to start to offer their sales earlier than Black Friday. And I think originally you started to see these sales be offered just a couple of days before Black Friday, but as time has gone on and over the years, these companies have started to push up the sales further and further back. So it started, a week before Black Friday, then 2 weeks before Black Friday. We started to see as early as the very beginning of November, late October, but now I'm seeing so many discounts being sent to me in my email inbox this week. And one example actually is Amazon Prime this week, the week of October 9th. They actually had their big Prime deals, or whatever they call it. Those kicked off, I think it was October 10th, which was yesterday. And what they're doing is Amazon realizes that they don't want to wait until Black Friday to start offering deals. They want people spending their money now, because what happens is consumers will see a big sale at a company they want to shop with, and they'll start spending their money. So by the time we get to Black Friday, they're tapped out. And I can actually speak from personal experience. You know what? I'm actually going to just read to you all of the companies that are in my inbox, my email inbox right now, offering me a discount this week. So actually, I'm just going to look in the last 24 hours. So I'm seeing discounts from Ulta, Crate and Barrel, World Market, Steve Madden, Princess Polly, Quay, Pottery Barn, Bed Bath & Beyond, J. Crew, Lulu in Georgia, My Dog's Vet, Holistic Habits, and more. I mean, that's literally just the last 12 hours. I've gotten emails with big discounts from all of those stores. So what that means for you as a small business owner is you want to take advantage of when customers are shopping for deals. Because what's going to happen is shoppers are going to get all of those emails, or they're going to see advertisements on TV or just advertisements online, wherever. And they're going to say, oh, I need to take advantage of this sale. I need to buy XYZ. Let me go ahead and buy that. And personally, I shopped Amazon's, I think they called it Big Prime Deal or something. I spent a lot of money yesterday on Amazon. And normally I'm good about avoiding Amazon on those days because I know they're going to get me. But I spent a lot of money. I just bought a house 2 years ago and I'm still decorating, which is why my email list had a lot of furniture companies offering me deals. And I went ahead and took advantage of some of those deals. So personally for me, I'm already feeling a little bit tapped out from a disposable income perspective, that I think by the time that Black Friday rolls around, I don't know that I'm going to have much money left over to be able to shop any Black Friday deals, because I'm doing all of my shopping in October. So if you get what I'm saying, that's true for a lot of consumers. A lot of big retail stores have realized this, so they're pushing up their sales earlier and earlier. Now, I'm not telling you not to do any Black Friday deals at all. You can still plan to offer Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Small Business Saturday, all of those sales. There's some type of pink Saturday or something as well. I don't know. But I'm not telling you to skip those. I'm telling you to do a sale now in addition to what you're planning to do for Black Friday. Because that way you can get your store in the mix of stores that are offering deals right now. So as shoppers are going through their email or Instagram feed and they're looking at what stores are offering big deals, your store can be on their radar and they can actually take advantage of your deals. So as they're spending their money right now, your store can be in the mix. So I hope that makes sense. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I actually have a video all about Black Friday deals, and in that video I give you a lot of ideas for what you can do. So I definitely recommend checking that out, maybe picking one idea to do now and then another idea from that video to do during the Black Friday time period. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, let me know if you have any questions. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I give all sorts of tips and tricks about small businesses, Shopify, wholesale vendors, doing local pop-ups, all sorts of things to help you grow your business and make more sales. So with that, I'll see you guys next time.